Heating phenomenon has many applications, and today we will focus only on the side of cooking and baking foods. Food is a basic consumable item in the world, so the heating appliances have a high potential market value. We always cook food in home by using different heating appliances in our lovely kitchen based on our appetite and desire. We may go to restaurants for meeting friends and have fun time with tasting delicious food. Also, we shall go to park or travel on a trip, so we may take with us a barbecue tools for making our journey as pleasant and amazing as it should be, to have a beautiful moments that never forgotten. In all these situations, cooking food is a crucial factor to complete our happiness in this life, but it should be done effectively and efficiently for saving time, money, and energy. So we can care about other important things rather than preparing food, especially if we are always busy or tired from work or study. In addition to that, we may use a heating process to dehydrate food so it can be preserved for a long time without worrying about natural degradation due to bacteria growth. So let's start with a famous heating appliances found in the market today. 1. The cooker. It may be called as the hoop. Definitely a classical gas cooker is a famous appliance in the world, and every home has it. They may be operated by LPG or natural gas cylinder. It is easy to control the amount of heat. Also, there is electrical cooker in different shapes of a spiral coil or conduction disc in the market, which will cost you more money in the electricity bill compared to a gas one, especially if you choose low efficient product because the price is cheap. 2. The oven. A traditional appliance for heating, roasting, or baking. They can be operated either by gas or electrical source using heating element such as nichrome 8020. The maximum temperature may reach up to 177 Celsius degree. There are two designs of oven, the conventional and the convection oven. The primary difference between them that the last one has a fan to circulate hot air around the food, which may increase the heat transfer. 3. The microwave. Advanced technology for heating only food which contains water by using device named as magnetron. It is more efficient and affordable as it heats the food from in to outside surface, in opposite to what happened in the traditional oven. The maximum temperature of microwave may reach up to 100 Celsius degree. There are some foods should not be put on the microwave, such as the eggs with shell and pancakes. Also, it is too risky to put any metallic objects inside the device, so only use glass, paper, and plastic plate or cup. 4. The air fryer. You can say it is a mini version of oven, as it has the same working principle of electrical oven convection type, but in the small size. Even there is a tiny difference in design. They are very good to make crispy foods quickly. 5. The toaster. They are used for heating piece of bread only. It is effective and great appliance for home, especially if the bread was in the refrigerator all night. 6. The heat lamps. They can be found in a commercial kitchen and prestigious restaurants, as they keep food dishes hot right up until the table service come to ensure the best experience for customers. It concentrated infrared light on food and the temperature may reach up to 60 Celsius degree. I think these are the main appliances in the market, and any other products are a cocktail of them by somehow. Our extraordinary concept is totally different. This is the device that I have invented, and I hid the equipment by using cartons. Now this is the laser thermometer, and the temperature is 25 Celsius degree for tomato and 27 Celsius degree for potato. It is good. Now we will take the pan from the device and using a fork to put a sample 1 tomato. It is somehow difficult. It takes times. Then we will return the pan to the original location. Now we will put the power plugs. It is too many. Now we will push this button to convert the red light to green. The device is working. It may take some time, so we will wait. Now we will push the button of the device again, so the red light appear, and we will take the sample of the tomato slice by using the fork. It is somehow hot. By using the laser thermometer, we will see that the temperature is approximately 69 Celsius degree. For potato sample, it takes long time. Now we will push this button and we will take out the potato slice from the device. It is really very hot. The temperature is approximately 70 Celsius degree. We will use the same previous procedure for our bread sample. There is a problem with the bread, as it may become more dry, not like other samples of potato and tomato. The temperature is approximately 65 Celsius degree. Anyway, it is good result.